Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. It's Wasik from TGN, and today I'll be showing you how to do an IELTS Writing Task 2. The question here is, in the future, nobody will buy printed newspapers or books because they will be able to read everything they want online without paying. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? So this for sure is a what? Opinion essay. And amader opinion essay modde what do we have to do? We have to give our opinion in a professional academic way. Now, when you do these questions, আমরা যখনই পাবো এরকম question, to what extent, always pick a side. That's my pro advice, okay? Do not go 50% this way, 50% that way. Because what happens is, your writing will get confused. You'll just give, it's not going to be good either way, basically. You're going to take away from the impact of your writing. I would definitely recommend either you agree 100% অথবা আপনারা disagree করবেন 100%. That way, your writing will be that much stronger and it'll prove your point and you will be able to communicate your point effectively. Now, the basic structure for these essays: introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and conclusion. These are the 4 paragraphs you need. And আমরা এই এসেটা চেষ্টা করব যত ইজিলি যে জিনিসটা আমরা ইজিলি লিখতে পারবো ওইটাই আমরা লিখব. We don't want to do it, super high thought. We don't want to make it hard on ourselves to write the essay. Okay, make it simple, make it effective. Now, when I think about this question, I automatically disagree. Okay, because newspaper publishers nowadays, if you go to, let's say, NewYorkTimes.com, they'll let you read articles, right, for free, up to 3, right, and then you have to pay. So আমাদের কিন্তু online publisher গুলা, they actually have subscriptions. They actually have what? Monetized versions. ঠিক আছে? And that I think is going to continue, no matter whether it's print or digital media, whatever it is. Companies are not going to let go of that revenue, right? So a commercial reason, right? And secondly, the other reason আমার যেটা মনে হয় যে আচ্ছা আমাদের সবাই, let's say we know somebody, we all know somebody that gets a newspaper and then drinks tea or coffee in the morning, right? That's a very, very common thing to see in the older generations and some of younger generation. So the cultural aspect of reading a book, it's ingrained in us as a society, right? And no matter what, you won't find everything online for free. That's a fact. So definitely keep that in mind. A lot of books are released online, but you still have to pay for them. Okay, digital books, not all are free, correct? So you have to have some knowledge. যদি আমাদের একটু knowledge থাকে and আমাদের idea গুলো clearly আমরা present করতে পারি, this essay is a piece of cake. So let's get into the writing. And always in the introduction, you have to what? Paraphrase the question. মানে আমাদের নিজের ভাষায় লিখতে হবে questionটা. So in the let's say it is argued that the future people will not buy printed media due to the availability of free online reading materials. Okay. Now I have to give a thesis statement. এখানে আমার opinionটা কিন্তু উল্লেখ করতে হবে. This essay disagrees with the statement completely. Okay, I didn't have to think. Very easy thesis statement, right? Then we give an outline sentence. So the ideas I discussed, মনে আছে? I said one is a commercial reason and the other one is what? The cultural reason. Okay. Firstly, this essay will discuss the commercial reasons why why online materials will not replace printed ones, printed, or let's say print media. And secondly, the cultural aspects which will, let's say, or which make this phenomenon unlikely. Okay? And basically in the outline sentence, what am I doing? I'm telling you what I'm going to write about. Commercial, and then there is cultural. Okay? So, let's get into the writing. Topic sentence. ঠিক আছে? The commercial, what is it? Let's just say the companies that release books and magazines will not allow people to read everything online for free. If that were the case, the companies, would be losing massive amounts of revenue. There are many online publishers who already have begun charging people monthly fees to read their articles and books. Okay, now let's who already, oh whoops, my bad. Now let's get into some more reasons. Okay, and let's kind of look at here. Let's see. Moreover, many of the newest books and articles are not published online, and to read them people must buy the paper, or let's just say printed copies. Okay? For example, the New York Times allows online readers 3 articles per month for free, but anything after that they charge a monthly subscription fee. Alright, done. I just proved my point. I like but anything after that. Or let's just say, but any articles after that they charge. Okay? Now let's go to our second paragraph, which was what? Cultural reasons. ঠিক না? আমি জানি যে বলছিলাম না that আমাদের we have a huge part of the population that buy newspapers even if they read them or not. They'll still buy them just to have, right? So let's kind of talk about the cultural aspects. Furthermore, there are many, or let's say let's just say this. Reading printed books and newspapers is ingrained in our society. Ingrained means what? Stuck, entrenched, okay? As a cultural norm. Many people buy books for children as gifts hoping to help enrich the child's mind. Right. Let's say, what else can we say? Many people buy books for children as gifts, hoping to enrich a child's mind. Okay, Tikatse, there's one thing right there. Another one, books as far as university students, right? Students must purchase their books for each individual course, whether they are e-books or printed books. Whether each individual course, sorry. All right. Whether they're e-books or printed books. Okay. Regardless, let's change it. Regardless of whether they are e-books or not. I don't like the sound of that sentence. Right. Now let's put some more stuff. Right. Many people also use newspapers as a source for coupons and other promotions run by companies as adverts, right? Which cannot be found online. For example, many people, or let's just say a large ratio of our society, wakes up in the morning, makes a cup of tea or coffee, and reads the newspaper. Okay, fine, if you want to make it percentage. Now let's conclude. In conclusion, due to the commercial and cultural aspects of the usage of printed media, online reading materials will never replace them. People will continue to purchase books and newspapers online or not, because finding everything online for free is highly unlikely. Let's see how many words. I'm done. 290. So আমাদের bare minimum হচ্ছে 250 and আমাদের essayটা again it's 290 words. So very good. 4 paragraphs. I tried to do this in a simple way. Use examples, okay? Make sure you can use relevant examples. Make sure you develop your opinion, and you will definitely score a high band score. Okay? Well, that's it for today. I'm Wasik from TGN, signing out. See you later.